Looking for the best gun locks? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 gun locks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. RioRand 3-digit combination 15-inch gun cable lock. Built to resist picking. Plastic coating prevents damage to guns. Easy to use. Up to 1000 combinations. No key needed. Has tamper-resistant steel casing. This keyless lock is easy to use and lets you choose any 3-digit combination out there to keep your gun safe. Texture of numbers is not smooth. At number 2. FSDC CL1020 RKD 15 inches California DOJ-Approved keyed cable gun lock. Cable extends 15 inches. Made of solid and strong material. Easy to use. Meets California's Department of Justice requirements. Available in a 3-pack. This less expensive option is durably built and is designed to protect your gun. Comes with warning label that it contains harmful chemicals. At number 1. Master Lock 94 DSPT Trigger Gun Lock. Durable steel and zinc body. 4-pin tumbler prevents picking. Rubber cushion pads to prevent scratching gun. Customized 3-digit combination lock. No key needed. This popular lock is made with a sturdy design for superior pick resistance. Does not fit all handguns, rifles and shotguns. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.